Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, iron workers, lathes, grinders, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you one of our new lines we carry. This is an Acra 20-inch vertical bandsaw. It has a blade that goes to a maximum of 5/8. Has a 12 and 3/4 inch work height and a 20-inch throat. The machine comes with a nice little lamp, a chip blower to keep all the chips off the blade. It also comes with a welder grinder and cutoff tool for working the blades. So you could buy the blades in the long pieces, cut them yourself, weld it, and you could have your own custom-made blades. Saves on money a little bit, saves on time if they do break. This machine also has an indicator here to tell you your speed, which you just change right here. Very simple. You can see the indicator's raising. Takes a second to catch up. The machine comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Let's go ahead and show you the inside. There's also a little chip brush here on the lower wheel. This keeps all of the chips off the blade, keeps everything nice and lined. And here's your manual wheel adjust for the tensioning of the blade. If you're interested in any vertical bandsaw of any size, new or used, please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.